9:31. Earlier this week, we talked about hot chocolate bombs on the show and how popular they are right now. And they can be hard to find because folks are just snatching them up. And all you have to do is add hot milk or water to the chocolate bombs, and then it does all the work. Like here.
And eventually they're going to
popular have these bombs become, Robert?
Oh my God, they're unbelievable. People are buying these like crazy. I've never sold so much chocolate in my entire life, ever. It's incredible.
And so are people walking in, looking at them, saying, Robert, what on earth is this?
Well, you know what? I got to tell you, everybody's been calling all day, all night. They got to have these chocolate bombs. They got to buy them for their schools. Or you can heat
so
up
as
the
you can
milk
see, as
first.
there we go. Well, I put it in and then you pour it. And yes, milk is preferred, but all we had was water on us at the time at the studio, okay? We don't have any cows out back. So how do you make them at home, Jen? If you want to do them homemade, I think this would be great for the kids.
Yeah, and I want to say, like, this is where it all got started, on TikTok. Kellie Hemmerly is on TikTok. I'm on TikTok, so follow us. It begins with the right kind of mold. Kellie Hemmerly from Suburban-Soapbox.com, right?
Yes.
So talk to me about the mold.
Okay, so these are silicone dome mold.
Okay, that's what you should search.
Yes, or semi-dome mold.
Okay.
You need that. I tried to do it with one of those sphere ice cube trays and it didn't work.
Okay.
So I save you the trouble.
All right.
So we're just gonna fill in and just get that chocolate up on the sides, and you're just going to coat the entire inside of your dome with the chocolate. And this is 2 steps, so you have to do it once, put it in the fridge, let it set up, and then do it again.
Okay.
This is 2 layers of chocolate.
Okay.
And then it sets up.
I love it.
And pops right out.
Got it.
And then you have a half circle.
Okay.
So then what you do is we're going to fill it with whatever. So I like to fill it with hot cocoa mix, my homemade hot cocoa mix.
Yes.
I put some sprinkles and some marshmallows.
Okay.
And then you're going to take the other half and dip it in chocolate, and then it'll seal right up. Another alternative is you can put a frying pan over the stove, heat that up, and take your cut edge and dip it so that it's melty, and then that'll glue it together.
Okay.
And then you have this.
All right.
So they're filled, and then you can decorate them however you want. The kicker here is then you put the bomb in your mug.
Okay.
So my suggestion is put some booze in your mold too.
Put some booze in your mold.
Put some booze in your bomb.
Okay.
And just make sure you don't tilt it around.
Okay.
So we're gonna take this one.
All
I'm
right.
gonna put it.
Are you gonna trust
put
me?
it in the
your
cup.
Little precious bomb.
Yeah. Hold on, let me.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, the trees.
Our coats are so big.
Okay. There you go. And now you can.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, any trick with this? Here we go.
And then it should pop open.
What is the trick? You said you have a trick for making sure that they pop open. Oh,
It's
the seal's happening.
to melt.
Yeah.
Just keep pouring the milk.
Okay.
We're going to fill it up with milk, and then it'll open up.
Oh, what's in there?
And then we have, oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, so anyway, I had put a little snowman in there.
Oh my goodness,
that had, I just drew a face on him, and I put like this little carrot on his nose.
That you could put right in there, and that'll pop out and
I
say
opened
hello.
the wrong one, yeah.
Which one do you think it is?
It's definitely this one then.
Okay, and then real quick as we wrap it up, you have a tip about the white one.
Okay.
Right?
So the white one was done in one of the dome ice cube trays, and it's kind of not great looking because this is where you pour the water into the ice cube tray.
Okay.
And then the outside kind of just didn't work for me.
Ah! Look what happened!
Yes, so there he is.
Live TV. He flipped over.
He did. He
you
flipped
missed it. He
over.
flipped over. There he is. How cute is he?
He looks sad.
All right, follow everything on Suburbansoapbox.com and of course on TikTok. She's got some viral food TikToks on there, so I like that I can put booze in that. Happy Friday!
Happy Friday!
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
It is
And look
Friday.
at her gorgeous yard. It's so pretty here.
We wouldn't expect anything less from Kellie. I mean, come on. She knows how to do it.
Of course.
I bet her TikTok game is on point, too.